surpassed 27 million worldwide. Pakistan Federal Cabinet reviews the political and economic situation. China has urged the United States to extend visa for all Chinese journalists. And Pakistan death toll from the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Moment restricted marble mine incident rises to 19. Saudi Arabia and France have agreed to enhance the role of G20 countries in supporting global economics, especially in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. In Afghanistan, 7 militants and 3 policemen have been killed in the fire exchange in Kunduz province. China accuses Indian troops of firing warning shots in border disputes. Yemeni court sentences 5 Houthi operatives to death as fighting rages. 2 high-profile Australian journalists filed China overnight fearing arrest on national security charges. Philippine police reject accusations of spying on social media. Wildfires in California have caused huge devastation. Fires have burned through a record number of acres this year.